Jai Hind dosto, this is Ananya, your SSC Master Teacher at Vedantu. Guys, if you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe to this channel and also hit the like button. Alright, thank you so much in advance. So people, what I'm going to do in this session, so without any further delay, let's get started with this video. Guys, in this video, I'm going to explain you about some of the important keywords from the topic, what is democracy and why democracy. Before I start with this, let me tell you guys about our JEE mains result of 2021. And guys, these are the achievers from Vedantu. Vaibhav Bajaj, All India ranking 35th. Then Harishit, All India ranking 113th. Sunrit Roy, All India ranking 139th. And there are many more achievers. Guys, you can also be a part of this leaderboard by simply taking our pro subscription. The link is there in the description box. We'll guide you more on this at the end of this session. Alright, so try to stay till the end of this video. Chalo, let's get started and let's understand the very first term, that is democracy. Guys, democracy is a system of government in which people have the real right to choose the representatives. People have the real power. We have the power to choose the representative. So basically in democracy, the representatives are elected by the people. Simple as that. Okay, how the people elect these representatives? Through the process which we call it as election. So guys, election is a process through which we elect our representatives. Simple as that. The third one, coalition. Now guys, sometimes what happens if none of the political party gains majority of the vote, okay, or majority of the seats, in that case, two or more political parties comes together and they form the government. So when two or more political parties are coming together and they are sharing the power and sharing the responsibility and they are forming the government, this system is known as coalition. Okay, guys, in Hindi we call it as Gadbandhan. Alright, so just for your information. Next one, guys, on the screen, malpractices. People, malpractices means ill practices, wrong practices which takes place during the elections, like by, for example, cash for the voters, or gaining votes like by misuse of religion or caste, or like hate speech, or like false promises. Okay, so these are some malpractices to get votes during elections. Next one, campaigning. People, campaigning is done by the candidate and the political party who are standing for elections to gain vote. Basically, they influence the decision of the people and they try to gain maximum support during the day of voting. Okay, guys, how campaigning helps the candidate to get maximum votes? Guys, they give some promises to the people, like if I win the elections, I will do so and so thing for you. Are you understanding? Next, autocratic. Guys, autocratic is basically a ruler who has absolute power. A ruler of a state who has absolute power, supreme power, is known as autocratic. Guys, before we move ahead, do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you so much. Next one, accountable. The one who is responsible. The one who is responsible for something. Like for example, in democracy, government is responsible for the people. Government is accountable to the people because the government is elected by the people. Simple. Next, minority. A group of people coming from a particular language or a community or a race who are less in number. That group or those people in that group are known as minority. So like some definition is given to you. The smaller number or part, especially a number or part representing less than half of the whole. So that is minority. Next, multi-party elections. People, what are multi-party elections? When many political parties are active in a country and they are contesting elections to win the elections and to form the government. So that is multi-party elections. Like, what is the definition? It is a system in which multiple political parties across the political spectrum run the national elections. Means many political parties contest the elections, they participate in the election process, and all have the capacity to gain control of the government office. It can be like from all these political parties, a single political party can gain majority of the support and they can form the government, or else they can form the government by coalition. Already explained to you about what is coalition. When two or more political parties comes together to form the government and they run the government, wherein they share the power, they share the responsibility, such system is known as coalition. Alright, I hope you understood what is multi-party elections. Pakka? Yes, that's amazing, guys. Good one. Okay, next one. People, I hope you guys are noting down all the definitions. By the way, people, after the session gets completed, in the description box, you guys can also download the notes. Okay? Famine. Extreme shortage of food is known as famine. Next, dictatorship. A dictatorship is a form of government where one leader has absolute control over the citizen's life. One leader has absolute control over citizen's life. Like for example, Germany, Adolf Hitler. Okay? Political prisoners. Prisoners held in prison or detained for opposing the government. So like before 1947, when India was ruled by Britishers, there were many political prisoners, Indian political prisoners. They were put behind the bars because they were opposing the system of Britishers. Simple as that. Like Gandhiji was a political prisoner. Just for an example. Okay? Next, communist state. A state means a country run by the Communist Party without allowing other parties to compete in election. That is known as communist country or communist state. And the last and the final one, constitution, rule book, simple as that. So rules of laws according to which the government of the state runs. So it's a rule book, and according to the constitution, the country functions. So basically country functions according to the constitution. Simple as that. Guys, now if you wish to take our long-term batches, means not only on YouTube, you guys can take our subscription wherein we teach all the subjects: social science, physics, chem, bio, mathematics, English. And guys, we are the only organization who is giving the promise of improvement. Means, guys, listen to me very, very carefully. Guys, if you take our long-term batches for entire year, and if improvement doesn't take place as per your expectations, whatever fees you have given to Vedantu, entire fees will be given back to you without asking any question. But this improvement promise is applicable only till 30th of this month, 30th of September. Make sure that you enroll to our long-term batches and take the promise. But other than this, there are many advantages of taking our pro subscription, like unlimited live classes. Like this video is a recorded one. People, you are also aware there is a huge difference between watching a recorded video and a live session. In live session, you can ask unlimited questions. Then in live session, there is an interaction between the students and the teachers. Over here, there is no interaction, no doubt solving. Are you guys getting it? And as you know, the term 1 examination is totally MCQ based. Now people try to understand. Over there, if you take our pro subscription, in every subject of every session, after every 5 to 10 minutes, we take multiple quizzes. So you are automatically prepared for term 1 examination. No need to make your own MCQs. No need to refer any other notebooks. We will also give you notes, Tattva books. You can download everything. Everything is there. And guys, while you do so, you are basically competing with the students throughout the world. Do you know how? Because students in Vedantu are not only from different states of India, they are from different countries also. Amazing thing, right? Now, if you miss out the session due to any reason, maybe due to power cut, maybe due to poor connectivity, maybe due to some family functions, you can watch the replays. And people, these are not plain replays, these are interactive replays, which says that if you are watching the replay, still you can participate in the quiz, still you can find your name on the leaderboard. Are you understanding? N number of times you can watch the replays. You can download the notes which are made by us. You can ask unlimited questions, and people, not only during the session but after the class also. Is it there on YouTube? No. Continuously tests are taken, assignments are given to you, then micro courses, crash courses. Guys, what are micro courses? Topic specific courses. Let's take an example. You attended the live session of what is democracy and why democracy. Okay. Now you watch the replay, but you wish to attend the live session once again. You can enroll to the micro course of what is democracy and why democracy once again. And you can attend a live session. Are you getting it, guys? Micro courses, crash courses are revision courses. Okay, the students who are not taking our pro subscription, they can also enroll to micro courses and crash courses, but it is not going to be free for them. They have to pay for separately for the micro courses and crash courses, but it is going to be absolutely free for you. Are you guys getting it? There are many advantages, okay, which you will not get on YouTube. And guys, the fees is really very less. The link is there in the description box. Apply my coupon code ADPRO to get flat 10% off. Okay, how you guys can do this, let me tell you. Dekho. Guys, this is the video which is going on, not this one. Yeah. Guys, this is one of my video on YouTube. Okay? Guys, dekho. Once you go to show more, yeah, if you look at the very first comment, everything is there. Like what you are planning for. Achha guys, we are also providing term 1 crash course. Means if you are not prepared for term 1 and if you feel that sir, we want to prepare for term 1, you can separately take the crash course for term 1. And do you know the course for entire term 1 is just 4500. That's it. Not for 1 month. It is for entire course. People, what is the difference between light and classic? In classic, you will get a doubts app. Means after the class, you can ask unlimited questions. Unlimited. With all these advantages. But if you take our full year subscription, guys, over here the code is already applied, AD Pro. Guys, when the code is not applied, let's take an example. If the code is not applied, you will get an option of applying the code. You just have to click on apply code. You can write AD Pro. Sorry. Yeah, and then once you apply, you will get a discount of 10% on all the plans. Now people, what is the difference between crash course and this long-term courses? Guys, if you take our long-term courses, the benefit is like you will get the promise of improvement. Means if improvement doesn't take place as per your expectations, whatever fees you have given to Vedantu, entire fees will be given back to you. Now guys, it is literally very less for entire year, guys. You can also try it for 1 month at just 2340 if you apply my code as AD Pro, or you can also get an EMI option for entire year. Guys, what you will get in Plus subscription, you will get a personal mentor. Means a person who will be dedicated just for you to help you with all your academic related queries throughout the year. So one-on-one attention, personal attention you will get. Are you understanding? These are the advantages. People, how you guys can download the notes? It's very simple. Once you take our pro subscription, you will get such kind of dashboard. Whatever sessions you have attended, just go to past sessions and you can watch the replays and you can also download the notes. Like, let me give you a demo. Once you click on replay, they go. Other traders were there in India. Hired stars. This is how we do the explanation part. This is how we take the quizzes. This is how we take the quizzes.
The company and the Indian ruler.
Are you understanding?
Knowledge collectively. Obviously.
Alright. You can watch the replays. Then you can download the notes. Just click on get notes. You can download the notes. Alright guys, you can download the notes and everything guys, including the quizzes, the explanation, everything guys, everything from here. So guys, so many advantages. It's very simple guys. The link is there in the description box. Use my coupon code ADPRO and be a part of Vedantu guys. Alright. Thank you so much guys for attending my session. Do not forget to share this video with all your friends. Thank you so much in advance and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Bye bye guys. Take care. Jai Hind.